We know that tech is changing. We know that kids are on tech, but we don't actually really know what their experiences are. What are the kinds of harms that they are exposed to? One of the biggest challenges is that young people are experiencing various forms of tech-facilitated violence, problems like sextortion, so being blackmailed over nude images, online bullying and harassment, or even things like having their private or personal information being leaked online. DIY Digital Safety, it stands for Digitally Informed Youth, is focusing on teenagers, so ages 13 to 18. And we're going around Canada talking to teenagers to find out about the ways that digital technologies are facilitating various kinds of harm in their life. We developed a nationwide survey. So that's been rolled out to over 1,000 Canadian teens to just try to find out, things that they've experienced, things that they've witnessed, and what of these things have they also done? And then we were interested in things like, what do you know about laws or your rights around these sorts of things? And really the ultimate aim of the research is to develop supports and resources for young people. We want them to know, what should I do if I experience this form of harm? Unfortunately, we're not going to get rid of the harms. The harms are here to stay. So it's really about how can we support young people to navigate these digital worlds that are constantly changing, evolving. But once you introduce technology to young people, you're introducing risk. Now, I also say risk isn't necessarily a bad thing because young people can't develop resilience and kind of independence without encountering challenge. There are kids out there who are figuring things out, and I think that's really the aim. I hope that we start having more of these conversations about the role that we want tech to play in our kids' lives. And what really makes me feel good is when I show them, hey, there are solutions to these things.